Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video we will be discussing about email list verify. So before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Now this is the best email verification software. Of course, if you are trying to deal with emails, verification is really important. You can also create your free account on this, upload your dirty list, and then you're going to be simply cleaning that up. You can download a clean list. So the features that it is going to be offering and the workflow that it is going to be following is domain and SMTP validation. It checks the ISP and remove all the emails with invalid or inactive domains or invalid accounts. You can also spam track disposable email screener, so you can get rid of the annoying disposable mails that you're getting and people are just trying to spam. Catch all the domains checker, syntax errors, and validators. So everything is going to be packed into your side. Once you integrate email list verify onto that, you can see you have your improved deliverability of your next campaign as well. So basically your campaigns that are going to be created are going to be having much more integrity, since they are going to be much more natural and filtered out with all of those spammy and fishy mails and that type of stuff that it is going to be having. You have your email verification API integration as well. So using that, you can catch bad emails before they get to the database, and without saving them up, you can simply trash them. You can see the integration that it has to offer: MailChimp, Aweber, and a lot more. So you can also go through all the integrations that they have to offer. So yeah, if you still are unsure about the platform and email list verify, let me just show you and get you through some of the mails or the reviews that people have left. So switched to email list verify after 2 years with quick email verification. So then you have great service for amazing price. So the price point is also great. Now you can give it a try using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses and rewards. So make sure to give it a try and subscribe to our channel. See you guys around in the next video.